my name is Cliff. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have configured the MemberPress plugin on my WordPress site. This is the setup I use on my own website and in the website package delivered to my client in nippy.com. If you are looking for a practical and effective way to have the best configuration for MemberPress, stay with me and do it with me. First, you need to go in your WordPress and go in plugins to install the plugin if you don't have it. Go in MemberPress, search for MemberPress. Once you got it, you need to install the MemberPress plugin and active the MemberPress plugin. After that, you need to go back in MemberPress. Click in the MemberPress and click in Setting. But before you go in Setting, let me show you what you have inside MemberPress. Let's go in Membership. In Membership is where you can create all your membership plan. In this moment, I have Starter and Pro One Lifetime. To create one, you need to click in Add New and you need to give it a name and configure all of these options. But I would like to show you a configuration. Just click in Starter. Here you can see I got this name, the link is here, and the price. The billing time is one time, but you can use recurrent time too. And access is lifetime access, but you can use the option expire or fixed expire. This is the configuration you have when you get Nippy, for example. Now is the Rank Mark SEO plugin. If you want, you can configure this, but if you want, don't do nothing. In the registration page for membership option, here you can put the text to your button. For example, get your business. And my example is getnippy.com. When you have the package, this is the same package, you need to change this name. Put the name of your business. This is the configuration I have. I use customers user information feed and I use phone number. This option, I don't doing nothing here, okay? After that, you need to use category. For example, I use the name of the product and this option, you can configure everything you want. After, let's come back in membership. Now, let's go in groups. Groups is where you can use it to put your price. If you want to create one, just click in Add New and you can put a name and configure all the information you want. But let's go to show you how it's works. Let's view this page. Now I am in group of price. This is the option. This is the title. This is the text. This is the plan you have inside of this group. Let's go back. If you want to see the configuration, let me show you. You can see the price and I have this option and the membership. I use Starter and Pro plan. If you want to add more, you need to click here to add more plan, but I don't want to put more. And you have this option of configuration to do what you want. Now let's go in words. Here you can add new word and create more. For example, I have this true option, but if you want, you can add new and create one for your business. For example, you have all of these options. You can see you have all of these options. Here you can use accept and here you can select the type of membership. You can see member, wall, capability and choose anything you want. And after you can configure everything. Let's go to show you an example, a real example. Let's click in this option and you can see what I have here. I have the file with file category lifetime access. The membership is pro lifetime. This is the all configuration you need. After that, you need to click and save for. Let's go for coupons. In coupons, you can create new coupon if you want. Just click add new, and here you have a code for coupon. But if you want to give a different name, for example, all include, for example, Black Friday, for example, 10%. Okay, just configure all of these options and click and publish. This is all it's work. Now let's go in course. In course, in this moment, I don't have courses enabled. But if you are our pro client, you have the lifetime plan, you can send us a ticket and we can help you to have the pro version of add-on. And in remembers, here you can create remembers for your user. Let's see one I have here. After sign up, abandon it. If a user after 0 days after sign up abandon, I'm going to send an email to these people. You see how it works? It's very easy. Let's go to members. In members, here you can see all the members you have, but if you want, you can create new members too. Just use the username, email, first name, last name, password, and what membership you want to put these people, and click and create. If you want to use advanced, click in advanced to put all the information you want here, okay? After that, don't forget to click create. If you want to use affiliate option, click in affiliate. Here you can get easy affiliate or install and active easy affiliate here. This is very easy. And if you are our pro client, just send us a ticket to help you. Let's go in subscription. Here in this option, you can see all the subscription you have. If you want to add new, just click in new to add a new subscription in your plan. This is the all configuration you have. You need to configure everything and click and create. After that, let's go in transaction. Inside of this option, you can see all the transaction you have in your business inside of WordPress. And you can see in what membership is this user or not. Okay? After, let's go in report. In report, you can see all the report you need to have inside your membership. This is the active members. You can see how many you have in active members, total of members, total of user, active free members, active paid members, and the average lifetime value user or client you have. This is all the report you have. After that, let me show you how many add-ons you have inside your membership. This is all the add-ons MemberPress have. Okay, you can see a lot of add-ons, and to use all of these add-ons, for example, in nippy.com, I use PDF invoice to send to my client PDF, or my client can download the PDF inside the dashboard. And the orderable option. This is all the add-on you have inside of membership. And remember, if you are our client, you can access to a lot of add-ons. Now, let's go in the setting to see what is my best configuration. Let's go in page to see what page I have here. In this option, reserved page, I have the thank you page create. If you don't create one, you need to create your thank you page. I have the MemberPress account page, MemberPress login page, and MemberPress can create all of this page automatically. In page look, This is the plant page. This is the register page. And here, for people don't have access, you can redirect these people to a template, okay? And you can use a link to redirect these people inside your website. In this option, I just check show a login form on page content unauthorized message, and after that you need to click and update. Let's go to the account page. Here, this is all the configuration I have. Just look at and check all the configuration and check all the configuration. Don't forget to read everything to understand what you do, okay? But if you're our client, all this configuration is done for you. This is the term of service. This is the all the text I have for my client. And here the privacy link and the copy. The logout and login, this is the page I use. And you have all of these options. This option is a add-on. Put all of this info here. You need to use a add-on. Field. Just click here. You can see I have font create. Let me show you how it's work. If you go in nippy.com, here you can see font number. This is the same option I have here. You can see it. This is the font number. If you want to add more, you can add more. Just click in add new and put more information here. Now let's go in the payment method. Click in add payment method. You have all of these options. You have Stripe, offline payment, authorized net, and you have PayPal. You need to choose what you want and put your credential, and everything is gonna be fine. Now let's go in email marketing. Click in email. You can see all of these options is activated. The only thing you need to do is change your name and email business. Now let's go to marketing tool. You can disable global autoresponder list, but don't do it, and click in opt-in box, check it by default. Now let's go in info. Here you can put all your info business, your address, your phone number, all your info for your client. Let's go in general. Here you can choose your money, okay? Language code. You can choose the money here, the currency symbol here, and you can configure all the things you want in this option. In tax option, you want to use taxes, enable tax calculation. Here you can configure everything you want. Now let's click in courses. In this moment, I don't sell or use courses. It's for that this option is not activated. But if you sell course, just click in install and activate MemberPress course add-on if you have it. And if you don't have the add-on and you are our pro client in Nippy, just send a ticket and we can help you to have the add-on. And the option ready to launch is by default, but you can change your logo here. Choose a logo. You can change the color here. You can enable this option and configure all of these options. For example, pricing page, you can see you can change this text, you can change the color button, and you can put a text here. If you want to see how it's work, let's go in Nippy to show how it's work. Let's click in pricing, and you can see this is the configuration you have inside of this option. Let's go in registration page. This is the option. You can show price tab. And thank you page, you can show welcome emails, and you can put a custom message. And login, you can click here, show welcome image. And account, the same, show welcome image. After that, you need to update the option. Just click in update. Here, let's go back in membership. This is all the configuration you can have in your membership. If you go in your dashboard in your WordPress, you can see your dashboard inside your WordPress. Remember, if you are our client, you get the Nippy starter plan or pro plan. You can have access to this configuration in all the package of WordPress I give you in nippy.com. In all the pro plugin and add-on for MemberPress, you can have all with our plan. And if you are not our client, you need to go get Nippy. If you are our client, just log in and you can use it.